Hi there. Welcome to Module 3. In this module, we are going to be exploring student motivation. Motivating our students is an important element of how we construct lessons and how we get our students to actually value the content that is being presented to them and begin to interpret it as something that they can use themselves. Creating an atmosphere where the learner is actually in charge of their own learning is an important element of creating authentic motivation for our kids. So look at the essential questions as you explore this module and kind of work from those. Why is motivation considered an element of understanding the learner, and does that environment of the classroom enhance or impede student motivation? For some of you who are dealing with virtual experience right now, think about motivation in terms of that experience. How has the virtual learning either enhanced student motivation or impeded student motivation? So explore it either way that you're experiencing it if you are doing any part of your instruction online. And can an individual teacher actually increase student motivation? Is motivation intrinsic to the learner, or is it something that can actually be enhanced and increased by the teacher? So that's kind of where we're going with this particular lesson, or this particular module rather. And so there's some readings, some couple of videos to view. You will do a discussion, and then this time you're going to culminate the module with a 3 to 5 page motivation essay. The prompt is at the bottom of the module. You'll see the assignment itself. Something to keep in mind, because this is a formal essay, I will ask that it be in APA style. If you are not familiar with APA or struggle with some of the elements of APA, remember that in the link on the left-hand menu that has rubric and grading information, you have a link to the Purdue OWL. The OWL is a really handy, quick, and easy to use guide to APA. It's very succinct and gives you exactly what you want with exact examples. I'm not going to be the APA police, so if you make errors in APA, I'll point them out, but not reduce your grade substantially for those errors. But do try as best you can to set up your essay in an APA style format. Because it is a 3 to 5 page essay, in other words, a short paper, there would be no need for a title page, but kind of look at the formats within the Purdue OWL, and if you're struggling or have any questions, make sure that you contact me via email, and we'll make sure that we get you answers. So remember, the essay is inspired by the Puzzle of Motivation TED Talk by Daniel Pink. Kind of read through those things. If you have any concerns, issues, and or other things come up for you during this next 2 weeks, let me know, and we'll get you some information that you need or help you solve a problem. The discussion board, now we're going to go back to the normal way of doing things. So the discussion board will be due on September 20th, and the essay will be due on September 27th. I'm going to work hard to try to make sure that all the dates within Blackboard for submission match up so you don't get signals of late work or whatever else. But just rest assured that if your essay is turned in by midnight on the 27th of September, you're in fine shape. So hopefully that helps, and you can have a great time working with student motivation in this module. Always feel free to reach out if anything comes up, and I'll get back to you ASAP with any answers. Thanks.